Good? Alright. How's it going out here? So this is JD here with Jeremy and Trent, our cameraman, admins of RockfordAreaRiders. We're here today meeting with Larry and some of his members from CMA Steel Witness chapter here in Rockford. They want to talk about the Christian Motorcycle Association and things that they got coming up, and kind of a little bit about their club, their organization, what they do. So, Larry from CMA.
Well, hi, my name is Larry Parrott. I'm the president of CMA Steel Witness in Rockford. This is my vice president, Tony, and this is our chaplain, Rich. And Rich, why don't you tell a little bit about CMA or our chaplain?
Well, CMA is 50 years old this year. It was founded in 1975. Nationwide, we have over 800 chapters, worldwide in 36 countries. But anyways, we just reach out to the biker world and biker community in the name of Jesus Christ and try to bring people closer to God. And we're there to pray for people and sometimes bring comfort and hope, and other times just join with people like the Wolfpack and they made their biker parade and all the different events. We like to support other people. And that's our goal, to reach the world one heart at a time, and we're there if you need us. So,
50 years. They're hitting 50 years this year. So,
I'm always interested, being a Rockford area rider, admin and member. I'm always interested in how people got involved in riding motorcycles. So, how'd you guys start getting into riding?
I always say it goes way back when I was a kid with a little mini bike,
Yeah.
I used to get on a mini bike and cruise the neighborhood,
Right,
thinking like I'm going on a cruise, or sit back on my little scooty mini bike, and ride around. And then as you get older, you just get something bigger.
Yeah.
And let me say, I got my first Harley 89, something like that, 88. Yeah, was low rider. So
yeah.
Been riding ever since.
been riding ever since. A couple of years it's been off, but now we just ride all the time.
I'm excited to get back into riding. I don't know about you guys.
Oh, yeah.
Right.
Definitely been that time of year. So.
How do you guys start riding?
I was like Larry. I had a Harley 90 when we were like 13, 14 years old in 1974. And my brother still has it.
Wait, you had a Harley back when you was 13?
Yeah, it's a Harley 90 cc's made in Italy. But I bought my first big bike in 1979. I was 19 years old. It's Shovelhead. I just sold it last year to one of our brothers. And he's gonna fix her up and make something out of it. Been sitting for so long. But I've been riding ever since. I've been 40-something years.
Wow.
That's what I need.
That's awesome.
I've been riding for a real long time. I started on a Benelli 50cc paddle when I was probably 10 years old. And my uncle bought the bike for my cousin, but he was too small to ride it, so he had to ride on the back of the bike with me, and that's how I started riding. And I took a little hiatus, and I bought a V-Rod. That's my road name. I bought a V-Rod in 2008, and I've been riding since.
Are you guys all from Rockford?
Well, I'm from the suburbs of Palatine.
Okay.
And I was with RockfordAreaRiders. That was my first biker group I rode with, and that's how we got acquainted with RockfordAreaRiders. And they're going to be doing a couple things with us this year, and Larry will elaborate on that. But now I'm driving a trike.
How long have you guys been in the CMA?
Well, Rich, how long you been? Let's go with the oldest.
Since 07, so 17, 18 years this year.
Yeah, this is my fourth or fifth year going. I'm with CMA.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm like 6 years. So
Okay.
Yeah.
So, you were talking about the road high road riders. High road riders. You gotta get that right. High road riders. And you guys got a safety course coming up at Keggles, right?
Yes, we do. We got a safety course. Last year we took the safety course in the suburbs where they're from. And we enjoyed it. It was a 2-hour-long safety course that taught us about riding with a group and other safety things. And Tony knows the founder of RaR Riders and Gary, so we reached out to Gary and talked to him if he'd be interested in coming here to Rockford and helping us sponsor it or help us put it out there. And he said yes. So we have it April 19th at Kegel's. RaR Riders, the founder and probably their president of that chapter is going to come to Rockford here at Kegel's along with us. CMA is going to take free. Take a little bit of donations if you want, but it's free to everybody. And you'll have drinks and chips and some donuts there, whatever. And it's a 2-hour course, and it's free. Just come on out, and that's the 19th. I think it's at 10:30 at Kegel it starts.
So
And you can register online. You can go to Kegel's. It's KegelsMotorcycles.com, or you can call Kegel's and ask them how to sign up. But you got to go to new events and just go down where it says the class, or the seminar, and then go down and find out more information and go all the way down to the bottom and you can register. And then that tells us how many flyers we have to get and how many people's coming.
Giving out books too.
And we're giving out books and brochures.
What is the motorcycle safety class? What is it going over?
It goes over all the aspects of riding in a group.
Oh, okay.
From 2-second, 3-second rules, ride staggering. Somebody goes down. Unfortunately, that happens. What to do at that instance? It's a very, very good course. I've been with RaR Riders since 2013, and so I've been through. I go to the course every year because I'm with them. And it's always a good refresher.
Yeah.
For anybody, for new riders, old riders, you're always learning something.
Yeah.
And it's a very, very good course to take.
So yeah, you guys hear that? Go to Kegel's website, check out that event for April 19th, safety course. It's we've had it posted on the page, or we had it posted on the page again, and tried to get the link on the post so you guys can just hit the link and go there if you want to register to go to the safety course on April 19th. Now, I heard you guys are doing a bike blessing also up here at Murphy's.
Yes, we are. Normally, RaR Riders always had the big bike blessings in southeast Chicago off the suburbs out there. And they have grown so big that they just have basically one prayer for all the bikes. And we talked to Gary about, they always have rides coming through Rockford, and they normally stop at different places. And we talked to Gary about, hey, we like to do bike blessings. And it's not blessing the bike, it's just praying with the riders. That's what it is. And then so he said, sure, I'm interested in it. And he goes, where's Murphy's at? And we told him where Murphy's at. We got a hold of Jay and Jeremy, and we got also a hold of Boz here, and kind of talking about it. And they said, sure, come on. So we're praying for a good weather and a good outcome, and we're talking today about maybe bringing in some other vendors in here, making it this could be a big event here. We're going to send it out, an email out to all the clubs, let them know that we're coming here, like Baca, Bait, Buffalo Legs, Iron Skull, etc. All combat vets, Dark Horsemen. We want everybody, this could turn into a few events. This is our first year doing it here, so we're just going to pray for weather. And that's the 26th of April, and I believe it's 11:30, 11 o'clock, somewhere like that, from the time there. And so we know that's happening. The vendors, we're still talking about that, right? And then we're going to see how it is. So first of all, I want to say thank you to the Wolfpack and thank you for Boz for putting this up. And we're going to fast and we're going to pray that we're going to have good weather that day, right? And for safety for all the drivers. And not only do we just do Wolfpack and a bait, but we do try to get a hold of all of them.
Yeah, and anybody from RockfordAreaRiders, guys out there watching, you guys come out, definitely come in the club, come out and get your bike blessed.
Yeah.
That'd be a good time.
Come come on out. And then there'll be all kinds of clubs. There's a lot of us going to be here. Well, hopefully some of these other clubs will be here, and you might want to talk to them about riding with them. Who knows? Or you can become a CMA member. You like to spread the word of Christ. I mean, we don't walk around here and stand out here in a crate and say, hey, you're this. We're just here for the bike world because we love Christ, and we want you guys to say, hey, we're here for you. The girls talk to the girls, the guys will talk to the guys. So we're here for you if you need us.
So keep an eye on the Rockford Area Riders page. We'll be getting the details out there. April 26th, bike lesson with CMA for the
High Road Riders.
High Road Riders will be coming through. We're going to set up a whole event out there. If you're a vendor and you would like to come and be part of that, reach out to any one of the admin on RaR, myself, Jeremy, Trent. Reach out to us, let us know that you may be interested in participating in the event. And we'll get the details out there. We'll get a flyer out there. We're working on the flyer right now. But that'll be April 26th. Put it down in your books.
10:30.
Yeah.
10:30?
Yeah, 10:30, 11 o'clock, something like that.
Yeah.
Like the time here. So, and also real quick, keep an eye on the high road, on the Rockford Area Riders about upcoming events in May. We'll start putting them out in April for May because there's we're going to be doing a lot in May.
What is that ride from Carlson Ice House to Kegels?
That is
May 13th.
Motorcycle awareness parade.
Yeah, that's
the
motorcycle
first-
parade.
the first Saturday of May.
Okay.
So the Slimy Crud Run is May 4th, I think. Yeah, the first Sunday of May is May 4th. So the safety parade is the Saturday prior. And then I also,
It's the second Saturday this year. It's the 10th.
for the safety,
They moved it.
Motorcycle awareness parade is May 9th.
okay, scratch it. I guess they moved it. So we'll get the details out there. It sounds like it's going to be May 10th. So May 10th on a Saturday still? Okay. Second Saturday at Carlson Ice Arena, and we have an escorted ride that takes us out to Kegels. Kind of get awareness out there, safety awareness for all motorcycle riders. We've had nice weather the last couple weeks, and there's already been about 2 or 3 accidents. So it's a good thing to come together with everyone. You know,
Yes.
come talk with these guys. Let's pray. Let's ride.
Yeah.
Safe. Let's watch out for each other, and just make sure everybody that you're out with is safe and makes it home okay.
Yeah.
As far as CMA and you guys' chapter, is there anything else you want to say about the chapter? Or?
Well, I think Rich kind of set it all up and what we're about. Just one heart at a time. We're just here for everybody. We're here for each one of the bikers. This is where we want to go out to. I mean, we love the Lord. I'm not a preacher. I'm not a teacher. I'm just a guy that loves the Lord. I want to be able to spread it out there, but I'm not going to go out and force it on you. I mean, I'll walk. If you want your bike blessed, we'll bless you and you. And it just goes from there. But the main thing is like we give our cards out, and if you want to talk to somebody or something like that, we're here. We got female, our wives are in there. We got females in our club that if a female has a problem, they can talk to the female. If the guy has a problem, they can talk to the guy. But we're just here for you. We just love everybody. We just want everybody to be safe, no matter who you are. We're all God's children. So that's how it is. So that's all I really got to say.
Well, we want to thank Larry and Tony and Rich. Thanks for coming out and talking with us. We'll be out all year long. These guys come out all the time to a lot of different events, so keep an eye out for them. You see them around, stop in and say hi.
And we'll be at the parade today. Guys. You guys are around.
Yeah, we got the bikes out right now. We're going to be lining up. Come meet up at Murphy's at 1 o'clock if you want to come to the parade today. We'll be down there by 2. Parade starts at 3. So we got all the guys coming in now. All right.